Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Boiling points can be tricky, but we can solve this chemistry problem fast by comparing intermolecular forces between these four substances. Let's find the winner right now.
Oxygen, propane, and carbon tetrafluoride are all nonpolar molecules. This means they only rely on weak London dispersion forces, which are significantly weaker than the hydrogen bonding found in water. Even though carbon tetrafluoride has more electrons, the hydrogen bonds in water are far more powerful. That makes option B our final winner for the highest boiling point in this set. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when checking signs.